In this lesson, we are going to learn more about changing the aspect ratio of the images that we want Midjourney to create for us. Now, if you pay attention till now, all the images that we have created were in a square size, as you can see these previous examples. But especially about the example that we had in the previous lecture, the result wasn't a square, as you can see here, right? Each of them has the same aspect ratio, but it's not a square. Okay, how we can change that? There's a simple setting that we can write at the end of our prompt, which, as you can see, it's written here. Actually, when we use the describe method on this image, Midjourney itself created that setting for us. As you can see, it's written here, dash dash AR space, then the aspect ratio that we want. For example, let's come here and write down imagine. And let's say I want to create images with full HD aspect ratio, which is 16:9. So I'm gonna write, for example, blue cute monster. Okay. Then if I want to change the aspect ratio, I have to write down dash dash AR, standing for aspect ratio, then space, then the aspect ratio that I want. In this case, 16:9. Okay. Press enter, and then it will create 4 images with this specific aspect ratio. Let's try again with another aspect ratio. Let's say I want an image for Instagram stories. So I'm going to come here and write down imagine. The same prompt, let's say blue cute monster. But this time I'm going to use the aspect ratio for, let's say it's vertical for Instagram, which is vice versa of what we had earlier. So it will be 9:16. If I press enter, the images that Midjourney will create will be vertical. So I'm going to fast forward till both of these images are ready. All right, both of these examples are ready now. The first variant, as you can see, it is on Full HD, 16:9. And as you can see, the aspect ratio is horizontal, right? But if we come here, this is the example that I mentioned. It can be used, for example, for Instagram stories. And if I open it in the browser, you can see it's all where each of them are vertical. And we can, for example, upscale one of them. Let's try that. For example, let's upscale number, let's say 3. And open it in the browser again to see this individual image separately. Right, so let me open it in the browser, and here it is. You can see it is all vertical. Okay, so this is how you can change the aspect ratio of an image. And if you have questions about the specific aspect ratio, you can search on Google to find the correct number based on your needs. All right, so that was all for this lesson. And the next part, we are going to learn about another parameter in Midjourney, which is called stylize.